Today, Chef HooLou is cooking a famous French classic, Beef Bourguignon. Let's gather our ingredients: beef, carrots, mushrooms, pearl onions, bacon, garlic, herbs, and of course, red wine. Cut the beef into large cubes. These will become tender during slow cooking. Heat a pot on the stove and get ready to start cooking. First, cook the bacon until it becomes golden and crispy. Now add the beef and sear it until nicely brown. Add carrots, pearl onions, garlic, and a little flour to build the base of the sauce. Now pour in the red wine. This is where the magic begins. Add thyme and bay leaves for that classic French aroma. Let it simmer slowly until the beef becomes tender and full of flavor. Finally, add the mushrooms and cook a little longer. And just like that, our beef bourguignon is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy this classic French comfort food. Perfection takes patience, but magic takes none. Stay with me and subscribe and join our cooking adventures.